Find or read reviews that people are talking about OUCAXIA the Bot Riva all-in-one robotic pool vacuum cleaner. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Features waterline cleaning. Waterline is probably the most dirty part of any pool, which poses health risks to swimmers. Riva's wall climbing and powerful scrubber can keep your waterline clean. Always ready. Always connected to power, Riva generates 4000 GPH water filtration close to commercial power, around 50% higher than rechargeable cleaners. Always ready to perform scheduled regular cleaning cycles. No power loss, no recharging, no battery safety concerns. Dual layer filtration. Designed for sparkling water. Dual filters design catch debris down to 2 microns, i.e. very fine sand and silt. Top loading filter design assures easy operations and installation. All-terrain mobility. Advanced gyroscope technology and caterpillars help the robot covers the whole pool for any floor and wall. Riva has installed 2024 version software for the highest level of performance and stability. Smart navigation with app. Riva's automatic path planning algorithm and the smartphone app control allow the robot to learn the pool shape and size, and clean most in-ground and above-ground pools. Manual override option for joystick-style spot cleaning. Ultra lightweight. True lightweight at 12.5 pounds, probably the lightest all-round smart cleaning robot with waterline cleaning function. Pool users can effortlessly release and retrieve the Riva robot. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.